Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike here. I am back with my lovely S500 because today we're going to show her some love. Yep, I've had this car for several years. This is the car that actually started kind of my whole channel. The price I paid for this car at Copart right here, $275. That's it. So what did we get for the money? We got one of my favorite cars of all time. Monkey Wrench Mike. Yay!
I'm in the car.
We're going to work on the rear brake pads. We're going to replace those. We're going to fix the corner light. We have a new one of those. And we're going to give her a good demo floss. This is one of the easiest updates that you can do for a car like this. Look how much better it looks. Some people like the all white ones, and I do too. But since the other one already had some orange on it, we just replaced this one. This is a depot, I don't know, from Taiwan. Look at this. They also give you a light bulb. It comes pre-bulbed. How this attaches, just right here. Okay, we've got two little slots that line up in two little locations right there, and the whole thing just pops right out once you release it right there. Okay, all you have to do, stay, move this, drop it down in the engine, reach back here, push the tab I just told you about, and it just literally pops off just like that. And there you go. There's the old one. Let's save our new light bulb. Let's save our new one. So we'll put this right there. Put the old one right in. Hopefully it has the same attachment. Does it? Yes. Okay. There we go. Now, these are the two slots, right there and right there. And come on, little girl. Don't make me a liar. There it is. Okay. Then all you have to do, give it a squeeze, and it pops right in. Just like that. Hear the click. There it is. So much better. Love the sound of the engine. And we should have blinkage. How are we doing? See? Beautiful. These brakes are easy to get off. You don't need a caliper spreader. You really don't need much at all. Basically, all you have to do is take off this spring right here. To get to there, you have two little pins. You drive those out. They go pa-chooey. The spring goes ka-ching. And then you have the two brake pads, and they literally just slide right out right here. Grease them up, bottom and the top. Clean everything up. Clean your little holders, your retainers right here, and the clip, and you should be good to go. Okay, the brake wear indicators on the other side. This is the driver's side. Single caliper. Not much for a big old car, but most of the braking happens in the front. Let's get this off and get it on with the new stuff. We're going to get it on. All right, let's look how thin these little brake wafers are. Yep, we were desperately, where's the good one? Look at that one. Yeah, there's very little pad left on each of these pads. So, yeah, it's a good thing we did that. Okay, so this goes in the trash bin. I've kind of cleaned up the trunk a little bit. Doesn't it look better? Boy, those stains look worse on camera than they do in real life. Such as my face too. But anyway, we're going to put a couple of parts back in there. Then I want to focus on this right there. That's an issue for me, so we're going to change that out. In a moment of brilliance, I decided to mark the numbers because this is what we're addressing next with this. Yep, with my Colgate. Oh, great. Story of my life. I just ran out. That's all I've got. You're kidding me, right? Okay, well, now I think what I want to do, look at that. You know where the glove broke for the brakes. Anyway, I just want to get rid of the 3 and the 2. Because the S can remain and the 0 can remain. I just want to get rid of these 2. And this isn't working because it's not long enough. Dadgummit. Come on now. Come on, man. Well, that went to hell quick. We're back with some other tools. We're just going to try to pop these things off. Oh, well, that was easy. Come on, 2. If not, I got to... There we go. Ugh. Ooh. All right, now close your eyes. Because I'm using a razor blade. I don't want to scare anybody. Yeah, see? Okay, there's that. Hopefully I have a 5 and a 0 somewhere around here. Okay. There we go. We'll be back with some cleaning supplies, some glue, and hopefully a 5 and a 0. We're going to give this rubbing compound a little try. Brake fluid cleaner did nothing. Oh, okay. Was this painted and this had the numbers on it? Oh my goodness. I don't like what's happening at all. Well, how much is going to show? If I glue a 0. If I glue a 0. Oh wait, that's an S000. That's not good. Where's my 5? The 5 will hide most of it. But then I got this. Is that going to be okay, or is that going to drive me cuckoo? I think it's going to be okay. Yeah, we're just going to glue it. I don't care. Okay, let's get some double-sided tape. We're back in business. Look at that. We got it all looking good. Got a couple of pieces of double-sided tape. I'm going to go ahead and glue the crap out of this thing, too. We're just going to glue it on here. We're going to glue, tape, and tack. And go like that. See? Gorgeous. Isn't that beautiful? Let's do the 5 first. Or should I do the O? Let's do the O first, because we have a reference point for that one. So, this is the fun part, getting the back of the tacky tape off. Can you hear that? Okay, there we go. A little dab of glue for the heck of it. There we go. Where's my reference point? Like that. My reference point is gone. Okay. We can clean that up. How does that look on camera? Does that look kind of goofy? There. There you go. Okay, now let's do a 5. Ooh, that smells. Woo! Okay. What do you think? How does that look on camera? Because it looks completely different. Oh, I think it looks great. There you go. And then we'll go this way just for the hell of it. Okay. Mission accomplished. You are now officially an S500. Time for the big reveal. Let's see how we did. You want to? Let's just kind of see. Hopefully none of these will pop off with the tape. No, Lola. There's 1. There's 2. So good so far. Let's just see. Oops. Oopsie daisy. And we screwed it up twice. Okay, that's fine. Pop the top. And go this way. And of course, dadgummit. Come on. And this one. 5 looks a little dirty, but that's okay. There you are. I've been looking for you. And she is officially an S500. Kind of. That O, dadgummit. It sticks out a little bit. So, well, it looks better than it was. Kind of. It's going to drive me cuckoo. I don't know, but the Razorback, you may have to go too. I'm going to fix that later. We'll do that later. And with that, man, that engine sounds good. We have ourselves another video. Let's just kind of check the brakes. Make sure those calipers are working and the pistons go in. And I think we're good. Let's try to move a little bit. Look at that. Okay. Forward. The brakes work, people. I love this car. I really do. That is going to do it for a quick little update on the 1997 S500. The silver tank. I call her Tank. I like her. I really, really do. 137,000 miles. That's all. Could this be the lowest mileage car that I have? No, it's not, because the S600 has fewer and the S55 has fewer than that. But it's one of the fewest. Okay. That's going to do it, folks. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Have a quick little video coming up. Have another road trip planned with my good friend Randy, so you want to stay tuned for that as well, okay? Have a great day, everybody. Bye. And you had to get in at the last moment. The last moment. Thank you. Yep.